Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new series, I hope, if I can keep it up. We all know I like to throw things out there and then never do them, but I really do need to declutter, want to declutter my entire house. I've been on a bit of a roll selling some things on Facebook Marketplace, and it feels incredible. It feels like mind-blowingly good. And so I just need less stuff. I want less stuff. It's been an ongoing journey, and you guys know it's hard because you guys know I love stuff. So it's it's hard, but the entire house, my entire life is gonna be decluttered, and I feel good about that. Then I thought about turning it into a series here on YouTube in long form, but also some short form stuff. They're gonna be anywhere you watch your short form content: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, here on YouTube. That'll be smaller areas like my vase cabinet, maybe like my nail polish, one drawer at a time, you know, that kind of thing. I also wanted to do a couple long form ones as well, and I thought we would start today in my son's room. I like to film these also for like posterity for me. But also, I don't know how much longer I'll be filming like in Milo's personal space as he gets older, you know? Right now it's still just like a little kid's room, nothing too personal. I mean, it is personal, it's all things he loves, but you know what I mean. So yeah, this might be the last video of this type of thing I do with his room. So for posterity for me, I wanted to do it. I'm not moving. Why am I not in focus? I also thought this would be a good place to start because as we declutter some areas downstairs, like the toys in the living room and then the parlor, which is turned into the playroom, things will move up here, and it would be nice if they like already have a place to go. And I'm just feeling ruthless. I'm trying to not be so like nostalgic, even though I am, but trying not to hold on to everything. I know this will provoke the question, are you having another one? I don't know. I don't know. So some things will be saved just in case. Some things will be saved for posterity or for Milo to rummage through in a few years, or for his own kids someday. But yeah, that's kind of where it trips me up, is like wanting to keep every little thing, but there's just no need. I'm also starting in this room because I'm very overwhelmed by this idea of a project, but this room does not overwhelm me because we kind of stay on top of it. It is kind of a hot mess right now. We don't know where to put his stuffed animals. He's very into his stuffies these days. I bought like a hamper type thing from Target to keep them in, but it smelled like mildew, and so I'm not using that. I thought about maybe one of those like net catcher things that go on the wall, but the only available wall to do it is above his bed, and I don't think that. I gotta figure it out. Maybe I'll make some space for them in the bins in the closet. But there's some books that he's probably too old for, some toys that he's either outgrown or just kind of never played with, some puzzles, things like that. And we're also gonna give it a deep clean while we're in here. Also because Milo's about to be on summer break. He's about to finish his first year of school. He'll be home for the summer, and it'll be nice to have less stuff to pick up, because when the boy is playing, he's playing and making a mess, and that'll be nice for all three of us when it's pickup time. But also so he can have a nice, clean, decluttered, organized space for him to enjoy his summer, and it's his time, his break to relax. Not that he does a whole lot of relaxing, but you know what I mean. So I thought it would be nice to start here. So yeah, let's get into it. I am not really gonna go through the clothes today because we do stay on top of decluttering the clothes. I'm pretty good about like changing the clothes out. He does need some more clothes, so but that's not an issue for today. So the clothes are good. Maybe some in the closet we need to declutter, but I think I'll just start in this area in general. I feel like the top drawer in this could use some decluttering, sorting through. I'm gonna clean this, of course. This we got more recently. It's a canopy diffuser, and I really like it, mostly because you can dishwash it. And I think, actually, maybe I will go downstairs and just run a dishwasher cycle right now so that it's clean and fresh for him tonight. I'm actually pretty pleased with these shelves. The decor on them, super cute. I love this toy so much, and I do keep the cards behind it so that when he wants to play it, everything I need is right here, but it is just so cute for decor. So I'll take everything off these shelves to dust, maybe add something else up there to that shelf. I'd like to clear out some of these books, but a lot of them he still enjoys. But I do have some like little dollhouse furniture that I think he would like if I set up in there. Bradley just yesterday finished painting the third shelf from this set. It actually came in 4, but we wanted one more. We keep our Tonys on this, and we have way too many Tonys. Let me also say, a lot of these, not a lot, a good handful of these Tonys suck, and I would not recommend them. Tell you what, I feel like I've said I'm gonna do this before and I never did, but I'm gonna make an Amazon, like a category in my Amazon storefront for the Tonys that I think, and Milo, that are actually good. Because some of these suck so bad. I feel like the newer ones don't suck. Like the ones they've come out with in the last year are all great. But some of the older Disney ones, Woody, they're just weird. So I don't recommend all the ones we have. So I will make that list and I'll add it to my storefront and have it down below. And there's a few Tonys in here that like he doesn't listen to. Like he's not really into the Lion King one or the Woody one. He was, but not really right now. And I'm like, oh, I could sell these for probably pretty cheap, but like make some money, pass them on. But then I'm just like, the hoarder slash mom in me is like, well, what if he gets into what if he gets super into that movie next year, you know? And so then I'm like, well, ugh, what do I do? Some of these I kind of want to like listen through, and it's also hard. Oh my God, these are Elphaba. Nothing can bring her down, but that just did. Oh, truly just cracked myself up. It's hard because this one is the Velveteen Rabbit, if it would freaking focus. This is like for older kids. Like this is more of a true audiobook that I think he'll enjoy someday. I just don't know. Maybe I'll listen through a couple Tonys as I'm decluttering them to see, but yeah, this shelf overall too. The books are, we have a lot of like hand-me-down books that I try to like skim through before I put them in here, just because like, I don't know guys, some of the older books are pretty creepy. Like there's been a few that like I just do not align with, or there's something that I'm like, ew, no. But for the most part, we kind of declutter these as we go. Like we read through one and if like nobody likes it, we just get rid of it. But a lot of them we do like. So the books probably don't need decluttering, but I need to like dust this whole thing. And I would like to like decorate it a bit more. Like it has some sparse shelves. So yeah, I think we'll start in this corner of the room, cleaning and decluttering. It's a bit later on now. When I left off, my camera had died. Both my camera batteries were out of charge. But I finished deep cleaning this whole area. No, I'm vlogging. Okay. Love you. Then it was time to break for lunch, go pick up Milo. We went to the playground. Now we just got back home. Bradley has a little bit of time before he goes to coach a lesson, so I'm gonna carry on. There's just some random things everywhere. I did move his owl diffuser out from the bathroom and in here. I think he'll enjoy that. I deep cleaned everything. I dusted everything. I haven't done the floors yet, and the baseboards I will, but all the toys like even got dusted. I did disperse the Tonys. I didn't get rid of any, but I still think I'm going to. I might like ask Milo about that. And I do have some open shelves for more toys as we're cleaning things out. And then I did dust and clean even that toy. Like I cleaned and dusted everything, the books. But that took me 2 hours. Something I've learned about myself in my old age of 36 is I take forever to do anything. So just have to be aware of that. But now we're going to face the closet. This is where all the toys are, the backup clothes, and I'm gonna try to weed out the clothes that aren't gonna fit him anymore, as well as get rid of some toys that he's outgrown. So here we go. I've made a mess. You gotta crack some eggs to make an omelet though, am I right? So these bins are decluttered and sorted. Put a lot of stuff over there, some to donate, some to keep for if we have another child, some to sell, some to move other places. So that's that. I was able to empty out one of these bins and then I have like backup clothes that are like the next size up, or like these were Christmas ones that fit him last year that I'm hoping will fit him again this year. We'll see. Just clothes in the next size up, shoes in the next size up. I used to have it in one of these in here, but I can put toys in that. So I was able to make space in this basket. I was able to put all of the stuffies, I did get rid of some, but in these two, so he can access them whenever he wants. I did put 2 of the larger ones like on the bed. I also cleared out a bin for his dress up stuff, for like his Elphaba hat, his Danny Go hat, his cape, you know, just small dress up things that he has. But yeah, I need to sort through this pile. I got a basket where I can put stuff. I need like a big tote we can put up in the attic or something for toys. So, but for now I'm gonna put him in that. I do need to go through that still. But we are trekking away here. I also still need to go through these drawers. All right, got bins back up. These have all been, these didn't really need decluttering anyway because I kind of stayed on top of that. A lot of these puzzles he has outgrown, but he still likes to like use the pieces for other games, like things he makes up. So I think I'm just gonna leave all those for now. But I did decide I want to pull all this out, pull the white thing out and vacuum and see if any toys have fallen behind. So let's do that. And yes, our paper chain fell. I need to fix it. I'm backlit, but I'm gonna get mushy for a moment, and I just like had a moment in that closet where like it like gave me a flashback to when we first moved in and we were making a nursery for our son, and now he's literally in less than 2 months gonna be 5. Like that's, where does the time go? That's insane, that's crazy. I've also just decided I'm gonna take the time to dust and clean all these puzzles, but I'm not gonna film it, so. You guys, the lemon oil is getting off the crayon. Usually lemon oil gets off sticky stuff. I don't know why it's working for this. I was a little afraid it was gonna peel up the paint on the toy, but it's not. Just putting a few drops to cover the area. Let it sit for a sec. I've already done these two. Oh, it smells so fresh, I need to put some in here too. Let's see if that was long enough. Look! It just wipes away. I'm amazed. Freaking brand new. Okay, now we're going into voiceover mode because this was a different day. And like an idiot, I filmed this first clip Reels style, forgetting that this was for a long form video, but it will switch after this. But I wanted to clean out the white set of drawers that we keep a lot of his toys in his closet. Wanted to really take the time, take everything out of the drawers, dust them, wipe them down with the wood spray, dust the toys themselves, dust all the puzzle pieces, all the blocks. Milo actually did come in to help me with this part, which was really cute. You getting hungry for lunch?
Yeah. I want burgers and fries.
Me too.
I'm very hungry for burgers and fries today.
Me too.
Yeah.
Thank you for helping me. You still
welcome.
like these puzzles?
Yes.
Okay.
Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, where is the little bear? Winnie the Pooh, Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, Pooh, with Sattler and stuff with puppies. Winnie the Pooh, Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, Pooh, where is the little bear?
My sweet boy. But he helped me with all the puzzles. I wiped them down. He put them back into place. And it's annoying, but it's necessary to every now and then wipe down all the pieces, the board itself. And once I got that done, I was trying to get them back in the drawer. I couldn't figure out how I had them before to all fit, so I kind of spaced them out and did a whole puzzle drawer. And then I put Milo's little, these are like animals inside houses that he loves. He plays so many different like imaginary games with them. But with each drawer, I'm going to continue to take everything out, dust it, wipe it down with wood spray, and then even like dust the toys that are in there, the bins that are holding the toys, and just make sure everything is nice, clean, organized, and decluttered. I did end up getting rid of a few things as well. So now every inch of this room has been deep cleaned, decluttered, organized. We have a better idea of what we have. I did put out these little dollhouse figurines and Milo is loving them. All the shelves are nice and tidy and clean, hung up some extra artwork from school. And it's just like a really nice, cozy place for my son to spend his time. And I love it. I've always loved it in here. It always had good vibes, but it just feels extra good when it's deep cleaned and organized. We've already started to bring some toys up from the playroom and now they have a place to go because I did get rid of so many things. I've already sold a couple of things on Facebook Marketplace, which feels amazing. Lots of bins, and just overall it makes me oh so happy. It's cozy, it's colorful, and it's fun because little boys deserve fun, colorful rooms too. And I just love this room so much. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully we'll be back for more. Let me know if you liked this style of video. Did it remind you of my old cleaning videos in my apartment? Do we want to see more? Just let me know. Thank you for watching this video. I will have random stuff linked down below, so if you have any questions, check the description box or just let me know. But I love you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.